Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 3D print pen is probably one of the most exciting and creative tools to hit the market in recent years, allowing you to bring your imagination to life by transforming your ideas into stunning three-dimensional objects. Whether you're a seasoned artist, a hobbyist looking for a new challenge, or simply someone who enjoys crafting unique and personalized items, a 3D print pen offers endless possibilities for self-expression and innovation, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a fun and rewarding creative outlet. Number 5. SCRIB3D P1 3D Printing Pen. Give the gift of 3D creation. This affordable 3D pen fosters imagination and artistic skills, perfect for family fun or crafting unique gifts. Everything you need is included: 3 colors of PLA filament, a power adapter, instructions, and a stencil guide. Just plug it in and start doodling. It's incredibly simple to get started. Just plug it in, load the filament, and let your creativity flow. The intuitive controls make it perfect for beginners. It's temperature adjustable for different filaments and features a stepless speed control. Create intricate details or quickly fill in larger areas with ease. With a ceramic nozzle, premium motor, and auto-sleep function, it's safe and reliable. Plus, it comes with a 1-year guarantee and responsive customer support. What we like. It's a great value for its features and ease of use. If you are looking for an easy-to-use 3D pen to start your creative journey, this is a perfect choice. It's suitable for beginners and families who want to explore 3D printing together. What people say. I'm a beginner. I've been having fun making things from stencils and my own designs. I designed and made the alien ship. Works well. I would make sure to buy extra plastic refills. It's a fun art project and really works well. Number 4. 3Doodler Start Plus Essentials. It's designed with no hot parts, ensuring complete safety for kids aged 6 and up. You can touch the nozzle and plastic without any burn risk. It's slimmer and easier to hold, charges 50% faster, and comes with 50% more filament and 10 new stencils. Enjoy the best 3D drawing experience. Reduce screen time and let kids enjoy hours of creative play and learning. It helps them make real-world connections to STEM concepts. It includes the 3D pen, a doodle pad, colorful filaments, a USB-C cable, and an activity guide. Everything you need to get started. It comes in 100% recyclable packaging, minimizing waste. We stand behind our product with a warranty, delivering on our promises. What we like. Safety is its top priority, making it ideal for young creators. If you are looking for a fun and educational STEM toy for your kids, this is the one. It comes with everything you need to get started, making it a great option for families. Number 3. SCRIB3D Advanced 3D Pen. Introducing the SCRIB3D Advanced 3D Pen, it lets you create, draw, and build amazing 3D models with ease. Let your imagination run wild. This pen boasts a sleek, ergonomic design that fits perfectly in your hand. Its soft touch surface ensures a comfortable 3D drawing experience. It features an LCD screen and easy-to-use buttons for precise temperature and speed adjustments. 8 speed options give you total control over line thickness. Everything you need is included: PLA filament, power adapter, instructions, and a stencil guide. Just plug it in and start creating. It's incredibly easy to use. The step-by-step instructions make it perfect for beginners, while advanced features will challenge experienced users. It's designed with safety features to prevent clogging and ensure a smooth experience. Plus, it comes with a 1-year guarantee and responsive customer support. What we like. It offers superior control and comfort for creating intricate designs. If you're an experienced user seeking precision and comfort, this is for you. Its advanced features make it suitable for creating detailed 3D models and structures. What people say. It has a really nice slope design which I like because my hand tires easily after using the pens for a while. They tend to twist and turn throughout the use. This one stays easily put in position in my hand, which is nice because the buttons are easy to reach on both sides with this design. The filament selection type, ABS or PLA, is clearly displayed on the LCD screen and is selected by simply pushing the disperse button, then set the temp to the proper degree, and within seconds you are printing. Another nice feature is, instead of using a slide to select the amount of filament being dispensed, this pen uses buttons. One simple tap and I can control whether I want a thick or thin line of filament dispensed. Number 2. MYNT3D Super 3D Pen. Transform your drawings into stunning 3D creations. It's easy to use and perfect for artists of all skill levels. With its stepless speed slider, you can precisely control the material flow, giving you ultimate precision in your 3D art. It features a new ultrasonic sealed nozzle, making it virtually clog-proof and built to last. Enjoy reliable performance for all your projects. Whether you're a kid, an artist, or an engineer, it's the perfect tool to bring your 3D visions to life. It's fun for all ages and skill levels. It comes with everything you need to get started: 3 colors of PLA filament, an AC adapter, and the pen itself. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year limited warranty. Let your imagination run wild and create amazing 3D art. It's the perfect tool for unleashing your creativity. What we like. This pen boasts exceptional durability and smooth operation. If you need a reliable pen that can handle various materials and speeds, this is a great option. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Number 1. MYNT3D Professional 3D Pen. Introducing the MYNT3D Professional 3D Pen. It lets you bring your imagination to life, one intricate design at a time. With its adjustable feed, you have precise control over the speed and flow of material. Create smooth, consistent lines every time. It offers temperature adjustments in 1-degree increments, from 140 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. This allows for optimal fine-tuning to achieve a wide variety of effects. The large OLED display provides a clear view of the material temperature, helping you maintain consistent results throughout your project. This kit includes 3 colors of PLA filament, an AC adapter, and the ergonomic pen. Plus, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. It's the perfect tool for artists and hobbyists alike. Watch as your ideas transform into stunning 3-dimensional creations. What we like. It provides ultimate control over temperature and material flow. If you value precision and control, this is the perfect choice. Its OLED display and precise temperature control allow for a wide range of creative effects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.